You can use the max lens mod on the GoPro Hero 9 when using the SmallRig Cage. It's not something that you install first in the GoPro, then put it in the cage. You have to put the GoPro in first, then attach the max lens mod. Once you've installed it, you can remove the original lens, then install the max lens mod. And there you go. Again, it's not really something you can remove at this point because the max lens mod is a little bit bigger than the opening. As you'll see here, it gets hung up. It's probably a better view of it. So you're going to have to remove the max lens mod first. Then the camera will come off. And again, it just won't install with a max lens mod already attached. Hope that answers your question.